I'm Adornetto. I'm in the culinary department here at Zane State College. Today we're going to do the Italian entree for the ethnic food fair. It's Ditalini Alfredo. It's like fettuccine Alfredo, but this is Ditalini. Ditalini are small, round shells. Use any pasta you want. So I pre-cooked that all. What you do is you get some bacon. Let me add a little olive oil to that. Sorry. I always add just a little bit of olive oil. Just a little bit. It's pretty hot. You cook this till it's brown, and then we're going to add some shallots to this. Shallots. Turn this down just a little bit. Shallot is a cross between an onion and a garlic. A little garlic here. That's the size. The skin will come right off the edge real easy. Should be easy. And what you do is you get mash it down. Mash it down. It's pretty much diced there. Just run a knife through there. You come over here and saute our, excuse me, add our shallots and garlic to this. Add 2 cups of spinach. Nice handful. And you can add arugula. You don't have to add anything you want to this. How you put bacon in here or ham, you can use it if you don't like. If you're a vegan, don't add bacon or ham. You add heavy cream to this, heavy whipping cream. And we let that cook down. It will thicken up as it cooks. You can't boil milk. You can't boil half and half, but you can boil heavy cream. See, this is boiling. It's heavy cream. This cooks down, it will thicken up. I always like adding a teaspoon of chicken base to this. Teaspoon. You can always add more. Melt that down. That cooks down, it'll thicken up. That's the great thing about heavy cream. And I like tasting everything. Lovely. Now we add our cream to this, or I'm sorry, Ditalini, fettuccine, whatever you want. Now this makes a pound, and this is a lot. This is for about six to 8 people, 6 people for dinner. 8 appetizers. You can serve this as a great appetizer. See how that thickens up? And then what you want to do is you want to add your cheese, Parmesan cheese, Romano cheese, or Asiago cheese. This here is a combination of shredded 3 types of cheese. This is a blend. Parmesan, Romano, and Asiago. You can use a spoon. Be careful doing flipping like this, unless you're really good at it. Could be a mess. You gotta taste it to adjust the seasoning. Use just a little bit more cheese. Now if it ever cooks down too much and it gets too thick, you want that little chicken base or chicken stock, chicken broth to thin it out. Okay, tastes really nice. Come on over here. Nice and creamy. And this is a pretty big plate. And you want to garnish it with some grated cheese. Don't get the imitation cheese. If you're going to make something this nice, get the good quality stuff. And there you go. It's a nice plate of Ditalini Alfredo. Hope you enjoy it.